The SmartVision software is engineered to provide advanced surveillance solutions. To connect your IP cameras, click on the camera icon on the main panel. You will see a form with a list of IP cameras. Next, click on the first icon to automatically search for IP cameras. After this, the process of searching for IP cameras will begin. The system may ask you for the login and password to connect the camera. Enter it in the corresponding input window. Please note that many cameras have built-in protection against password guessing and frequent authorization requests. Therefore, during multiple searches, some cameras may stop being discovered for a while. This means that the camera's anti-brute force protection system is triggered. After the search is complete, the found cameras will be displayed on the screen. Click the Save button to save the found cameras to the database. On this computer, IP cameras with a resolution of 1080p are connected, and in the Task Manager, you can see the CPU load during the online viewing of 5 cameras. If your camera does not have a static IP address assigned, it may change when you next start the SmartVision program. In this case, use the search again, and the system will automatically update the IP address for each camera.